Hey everybody, Crazy Review 123, doing a new review about Off Words. We're gonna take a tour inside of it and see what there is to see. Are you ready? And here we go. Looking here, we have some water, a bread machine, which I got for Christmas, was not missing in my video. We got some juice, drinks, everything up here. We got some dips, eggs, leavening. We got roast beef sandwiches made by my dad. We got pastas, and then fruits and vegetables, hot sauce, waters, mayonnaise, and all that good stuff. Lance, let's love that on Lance. And some Taco Bell hot sauce. You gotta love that. Parmesan cheese, butter. Put it on the bread and it tastes good. Oh, what? This is two of my friends. Now looking in the freezer will be Reese's Pieces. A tip for everyone, putting candy in the freezer is awesome. It'll help it taste better and last longer. Some pizza, pizza dough, my dad's food, frozen pasta, and second, some corn, and a bucket of ours. So if you're always wondering what's in my refrigerator, well, here it is. Oh, and this refrigerator is a Whirlpool. It has a built-in water filter. So basically, we got 3 water filters. So this is the end of my tour of my friends. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Crazy Review 123 out. Hope you enjoyed the video.